Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you my drawing of Peppa Pig. Peppa is one of my favorite characters. She's pink, she has a round nose, and she always wears a red dress. Look, I even gave her a heart in her hand. It was so much fun to draw her. I used pink for her face and arms, red for her dress, and black for her shoes. I hope you like my drawing. If you want to draw Peppa Pig too, just grab your paper, pencils and colors and follow along with me next time. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment. Tell me who I should draw next. Thank you for watching. See you in the next drawing. Bye bye.